Hello everyone, welcome to Karma Education. This is the channel for UGC NET Education Paper 2 and it has a target to cover the whole syllabus of UGC NET Education subject particularly. In this video, I am Konkona Pal going to talk about cost of education. It is an important topic of subunit C of Unit 2. We should have clear idea about cost of education and expenditure on education. There is a tendency to use both the terms cost and expenditure in interchangeably manner. However, the terms expenditure on education and cost of education are not the same things. Cost of education refers to the amount of money. It refers to the amount of money spent during a particular period to acquire or to impart education. For example, cost per student partnering to a particular level denotes cost of education. It may include expenditure on books, stationery, school fees, hostel accommodation, exam fees, travel fees, etc., which is incurred by parents or guardian. Next is expenditure on education. Expenditure incurred by state or central government or private to schools, colleges, universities to deliver or support education systems. For example, staff salaries, equipment, building, maintenance of apparatus, libraries, etc. So, it is the expenditure which is incurred by state or central government through the process of budget. So, this is the difference between cost of education and expenditure on education. Meaning of cost. In economics, the concept of cost comes into play in the production of goods and services. It may be expressed in monetary or non-monetary terms. Cost affects a specific economic producer, seller, buyer, consumer, etc. Now, meaning of cost of education. Cost of education is something of value, usually an amount of money which is given up in exchange for something else, usually for goods and services. In education, goods and services can be denoted by the partnering of knowledge. Goods and services means partnering of knowledge. Okay. In education, the producer of the service of education may be the education establishment, the teacher, families, education ministry, etc. Whereas consumers are the pupils and also indirectly all the families of the pupil. And output of education can be measured by the number of enrollments and by the scholastic performance of the students. Types of educational cost. Cost of education is broadly classified into two parts: individual cost or private cost and institutional cost or public cost. First one is individual cost or private cost. Individual cost or private cost is the cost of education which is incurred by the learner or by his or her parents or guardians or by the family as a whole. For example, tuition and examination fees, transportation, uniforms, manuals and books, etc. Individual cost is of two types: direct cost and indirect cost. Direct cost is directly visible cost, all money expenditure incurred by student on different items. For example, tuition fees, books purchase, uniform, hostel, etc. Whereas indirect cost, these are not directly charged. These are not directly charged to a particular program but are attributed to services which are necessary to operate the program. For example, quality control cost, supervision salaries, then departmental sponsored program, maintenance, sponsored project administration expenses, etc. So these are the indirect costs. Next is institutional cost or public cost. Costs or expenditure that incurred at the institutional level by the government, private or mixed are called institutional cost or public cost of education. Public costs are those that include financing by the government on the basis of taxes, loans and other public revenues. It can be classified in two sections. One is recurring cost, another is non-recurring cost. Recurring costs refer to any expense that is known, anticipated and occurs at regular intervals. For example, staff salary you have to pay on monthly basis, purchase of books, payment of rented building, this etc. These are the recurring cost because it incurred at regular intervals. Next is non-recurring cost. Non-recurring costs are one kind of expenses that occur at irregular intervals. For example, setup of building, furniture, equipment, others are the example of a non-recurring cost. Means these expenses occurs at irregular intervals. Another important cost of education is opportunity cost. Opportunity costs are everywhere due to scarcity and the necessity of choosing. Opportunity cost is not what you choose when you make a choice. It is what you did not choose in making a choice. Opportunity cost is the value of the foregone alternative, what you gave up when you got something. For example, going to college instead of going to earn. He or she may lose 4 years of salary while getting his degree. This is known as opportunity cost. Be connected with my channel to get more information about each topic of UGC NET education syllabus. I am also taking online class for UGC NTA NET education subject. Interested viewers can mail me, also can join in WhatsApp and Telegram group. I have added all the links in the description box. Thank you.